Hi there, and welcome to your ClickUp Bestie podcast. Today we're diving into how you can use ClickUp to supercharge your personal life. Whether you're managing your daily tasks or planning a big event, or you're just trying to keep your life organized, ClickUp has got you covered. Let's explore 3 inspiring ways you can make ClickUp your personal productivity powerhouse. First up, let's talk about managing your daily tasks. ClickUp is perfect for creating a personalized to-do list. You can set up a simple list view to jot down everything you need to accomplish each day. Use the priority feature to highlight what's most important, and don't forget to check off tasks as you complete them. It's a great way to stay motivated and to see your progress. Next, let's focus on goal setting. Whether you're aiming to read more books, learn a new skill, or save money, ClickUp can help you track your progress. Create a goal, break it down into smaller tasks, and set deadlines. Use the dashboard to visualize your progress. It's like having a personal coach cheering you on every step of the way. And finally, let's talk about event planning. Got a birthday party or family gathering coming up? Use ClickUp to plan every detail. Create a project for the event, add tasks for invitations, catering and decorations, and then assign deadlines. You can even collaborate with friends or family by sharing the project with them. It's a stress-free way to ensure everything goes off without a hitch. And there you have it, 3 inspiring ways to use ClickUp for personal use. Whether it's managing daily tasks, setting and tracking goals, or planning events, ClickUp is your ultimate tool for staying organized and motivated. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar. Remember, you can find tutorials for all these ideas over on my YouTube channel, and you can support my content by visiting my Ko-fi site. All the links are in the description. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making the most out of ClickUp. Until next time, stay inspired and keep achieving.